Pahalgam happened on April 22nd. But before Pahalgam, Asim Munir made that fateful speech on 16th of April, where he said that Kashmir was their jugular vein. So alarm bells rose right there and then. But even before 16th April, on
Not just jugular vein.
he said way more.
He said way more.
I'm
Yeah.
condensing what he said. On February 5th, on so-called Kashmir Solidarity Day in Pakistan, I'm quoting the BBC article over here who have quoted General Munir. General Munir made another speech earlier in the year, which is February 5th, 2025, which some think may signal he's adopting a harder line than his predecessor. Speaking in Muzaffarabad on Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February, he declared Pakistan has already fought 3 wars for Kashmir. And if 10 more wars are required, Pakistan will fight them. Signal was there. Now, I'll turn to you, Hani sir. You have operated in the region. You've operated a counter-terror clandestine unit over there. When the enemy has made his intentions clear, what's the first thing that goes to your mind when you read something like this or hear something like this?
See, issue is, it's all about assessments. Intelligence, you will get lot of things. Your assessment goes wrong, you are on the wrong way. Simple. Largely people would have thought this statement to be rhetoric. And that's where we went wrong. He was conveying it. He had his men inside. I think I was the first guy to say that SSG guys are operating. If you recollect, 24.
Yes.
After the Riyasi attack, 23rd, I think the attack happened. And 24th, I was the first guy to quote. And believe me, I got a call from one of my intel guys in the organization at a senior position कि sir, आप ये क्या बोल रहे हो? What evidence do you have? And I said, only the evidence I don't have, but I have the experience to understand the way they have clinically done that operation.
So you're talking about the Pahalgam attackers?
No, I'm talking about the
Riyasi attack.
I'm
The
talking about the
Riyasi
Riyasi.
attack. Okay.
It's the
Which
same guys.
happened in 2023-24.
24 में जो हुआ
And
था.
you're saying remnants of those people were still operating in the valley?
Till last they have been operating. I have been saying that. In fact, your the army chief on your podcast has come and said that they have killed SSG guy. You have to understand a few more things. कश्मीर में अब फाइटिंग क्लास वाला मिलिटेंट कम हो गया. एंड पाकिस्तान हैज रियलाइज्ड कि द काइंड ऑफ शो दैट दे वांट टू मेक आउट ऑफ कश्मीर is not coming out of the Kashmiris anymore. It's a fact. You have to accept it. So the ground supporter system is there. Now they are sending in pure military guys.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.